In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a console app in Salesforce. This guide will provide you with a simple, step-by-step process so that you can effortlessly craft a useful tool for managing your Salesforce environment like a pro. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just looking to refresh your skills, this walkthrough will support your goals effectively. To begin with, first, log into your Salesforce account. This step gets you into your Salesforce environment where all the customization happens. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of your screen. There, you'll find a gear icon. Clicking on this icon will open up the Setup menu where we can access more advanced configuration options. This is where the magic happens. Under Setup, you'll see a search bar known as the Quick Find box. Here, you'll want to enter App Manager. This tool allows you to oversee and create apps within Salesforce, an essential feature that makes managing diverse processes easier. Once you locate the App Manager, go ahead and click on it to proceed to the App Management interface. In the App Manager, there's an option to create a new app, specifically a Lightning app. Click on the New Lightning App button. This part of the process initiates the creation of your console app. Now you need to name your app. Choose a name that is descriptive and easily recognizable, as it will serve as an identifier in your routine Salesforce activities. Don't forget to check the console navigation option. Checking this box ensures that the app is designed as a console, a feature that enhances usability by allowing easy navigation and helps in switching between multiple records or processes efficiently. With the app basics configured, it's time to add some functionality. Add items to your app. These items are typically objects that Salesforce manages, such as cases, accounts, or any other data objects that your operations require. Think about the tasks you routinely tackle and the data you often use, and add them accordingly so your console app serves your needs effectively. After loading your app with necessary items, consider who will access this tool. Set the user profiles that should have access. Carefully select profiles matching the roles that need to work with this console app within your organization. This step is crucial as it determines who can leverage the app's capabilities to streamline their workflows. Finally, click Save and Finish. This seals the deal on your new console app, making it live in your Salesforce environment, ready for use. Congratulations, you've crafted a console app, making your Salesforce platform even more powerful and tailored to your organization's needs. By following these steps, you've taken a significant stride in optimizing your Salesforce experience, ensuring that you and your team can operate more efficiently and productively. I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. Dive into your new console app and enjoy the streamlined efficiency it brings to your everyday Salesforce tasks.